Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And I'm George. We are so happy you're here to learn English with us.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a fun topic. We are talking about food.
That's right. Today's episode is talking about your favorite foods in English. We will use clear, slow, and easy English.
Don't worry, this is for beginners. We will help you. Are you ready?
Okay, let's start. First, let's talk about our favorite foods.
Okay. George, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza.
Pizza. I like pizza too. My favorite food is pasta.
Pasta's very good. So my favorite food is pizza, and your favorite food is pasta.
Exactly. Now for our listeners, let's practice. You can repeat after me.
Okay, listen carefully.
My favorite food is pasta.
Good. Now repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza.
Great job. It's okay to keep it simple. What if your favorite food is rice?
Then you say, my favorite food is rice. Let's try that. Repeat. My favorite food is rice.
Wonderful. You are doing very well. Now let's talk about foods we like and dislike.
Yes, this is easy. We use I like and I don't like.
That's right. For example, George, what is a food you like?
I like cheese. Cheese on my pizza is very good.
Cheese. I like cheese too. I also like fruit.
Fruit? What kind of fruit?
I like apples. And I like bananas.
Apples and bananas. I like them too. Now, what about food you don't like?
A food I don't like. I don't like very spicy food. What about you?
I don't like spicy food either, and I don't like fish very much.
Okay, so you don't like fish. Now it's time for our listeners to practice. Take your time and repeat after me.
Okay, first let's practice I like.
Repeat after me. I like apples.
Now me. I like cheese.
Excellent. Now let's practice I don't like. Ready? Repeat after me. I don't like spicy food.
Good job. Now me. I don't like fish.
Perfect. You see, it is simple.
Okay, Eva, what's next?
Let's talk about our meals. We have 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Right. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner in the evening.
So, George, what do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I eat bread and eggs.
Bread and eggs, a classic breakfast. I eat yogurt for breakfast.
Yogurt is good. Okay, what about lunch? For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich.
A sandwich? That's easy. For lunch, I eat a salad.
A salad is very healthy. And for dinner, what do you eat for dinner, Eva?
For dinner, I often eat soup. Sometimes I eat pasta, my favorite.
Right. For dinner, I usually eat rice with chicken.
That sounds delicious. Okay, everyone, are you ready to practice talking about meals? Let's try.
Okay, listen and repeat. First, breakfast. For breakfast, I eat bread.
Good. Now, lunch. For lunch, I eat a salad.
Great. And finally, dinner. For dinner, I eat rice.
Wonderful work. You are learning so much today.
Okay, we have one last part. Let's learn some simple words to give our opinions on food.
Yes, words like tasty, spicy, sweet, and healthy.
Exactly. So tasty means it tastes good. For me, pizza is tasty.
Right, and sweet is for things like sugar. For example, ice cream is sweet, cake is sweet.
I like sweet food. What about spicy?
E is like a chili. It can feel hot in your mouth. We know we don't like spicy food.
That's true. And the last word is healthy. Healthy food is good for your body.
Yes, vegetables are healthy, fruit is healthy, your salad for lunch is healthy, George. Oh, wait, I eat the salad.
That's right, you eat the salad, so your lunch is healthy.
Okay, let's practice sentences with these new words. You can repeat after us.
Ready? The first sentence is, I like sweet food.
Good. Now the next one. This pasta is tasty.
Excellent. And one more, a salad is healthy.
You are doing a fantastic job.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. Let's do a quick review.
Yes, today we learned how to talk about food. You learned to say, my favorite food is,
You also learned I like and I don't like.
and we talked about meals. For breakfast, I eat.
Our challenge for you today is to talk about your favorite food. Try to use one of the sentences you learned.
Yes, you can do it. Just keep it simple. Thank you so much for listening to English Chats Daily.
We hope you enjoyed it. We will see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.